When it comes to content, the biggest cliche is that consistency is key, but honestly, it really is true. But the thing is you could put out all the content in the world, but if that content is not intentional, if there is no strategy behind it, then you are wasting your time. So what I've created for you in this video is 3 strategies that you can use on LinkedIn to grow your brand and convert your content to clients. Come take a look. Now, if you take a glance across the entire page, you can see that I have 2 options for each one of these strategies. We have growth mode and we have sales mode. So this depends on where you are, and this could change from 1 month to the next, or from 1 quarter to the next, or even from 1 week to the next. Are you in growth mode, trying to build your brand, build connections, get more followers, get more engagement? Or are you in sales mode, which means are you trying to actually convert people from viewers into clients? Because depending on which one you're in, your strategy is going to differ. Now, let's take a look at each of these 3 strategies. So number 1, I have what I call rock solid. This is 4 posts a week. This is the minimum that you need in order to build traction on LinkedIn. So if you go in with the rock solid strategy and you're in growth mode, you're gonna do 2 education and 2 connection posts. If you wanna understand what these types of posts means, you definitely wanna check out my previous video because I break down the difference between an education, a connection, and a sales post. Now, if you're in sales mode, you wanna do 2 sales posts, 1 education and 1 connection. This way you're not constantly selling because then you'll turn people off. The next strategy is a little bit more aggressive. I call this the go-getter. This is posting every day, 7 days a week. And this is a strategy that I'm currently utilizing on LinkedIn. And in doing this strategy, I found a ton of success, and I also believe that weekends are really important. When you post on Saturday and Sunday, there's a little bit less traffic of people competing for attention on the platform, but there are plenty of people still scrolling. So your posts tend to get more views, more engagement, and just more love on the weekends. And as you can see in the go-getter strategy, a little bit more heavy on the education when you're in growth mode, and obviously more heavy on sales when you're in sales mode. Now, the last of the 3 content strategies and the most aggressive is the superstar strategy, where you are posting 12 times a week. That's 5 days a week, twice a day, plus 2 posts on the weekend. I ran this strategy for the entire month of December, and my account blew up. I had more engagement, more impressions, more sales than any other month ever. However, there is a challenge with this strategy. You need to figure out how to consistently post 12 posts per week. That's a lot of ideas to come up with. That's a lot of content to put out there. So in order to execute this strategy, you need to be really effective at repurposing your content, changing your videos into text and image-based posts, changing your images and videos into carousels. Or you need to also be more efficient. Being able to write shorter, punchier copy or do shorter, quicker videos will help you to get out 12 pieces of content per week. So how do you choose which strategy is right for you? This is all about your capacity. What can you handle without burning out? So if you're thinking about doing the go-getter or the superstar, you want to make sure that you have some really good systems in place to be able to pump out that level of content on a regular basis. So let me know in the comments which strategy works best for you. And also, if you're looking to get more details on what to write in those educational, connection, and sales posts, don't forget to check out the previous video. And as always, I will see you on the next one.